I'm Lisa Collins, coming to you live from NAB Show 2024, and I'm delighted to be joined by Bryan Bedford from Cisco. Thank you for being with us today.
Honored to be here. It's awesome.
So tell us a little bit about Cisco.
Well, Cisco, obviously a major player in making the world's internet that we have today. In the media space, you'll see us show up in a number of different spaces, not only in media, but in sports, from full connected stadium environments to live production, SMPTE 2110 environments, and really everything in between, including security, observability, AI. It's probably a topic you've heard of this week. So yeah, we're doing our thing and having a great time here in Vegas.
Great. And what would you say makes Cisco different?
Well, I think, the broad scale of our portfolio is probably what people have come to know us for. We cover a number of different product categories, and we try to do it really well. So if we're going to enter a product category, we want to make sure that we're doing it. So, in this space, when it comes to SMPTE 2110, we want to make sure that we're doing it. It's bulletproof. We've done non-blocking and PTP, and now hundreds and hundreds of deployments. When it comes to CDN, we want to do edge streaming in a unique and differentiated way. So everything we're trying to do, I think we try to do it first class, reliable, and at scale with a security posture kind of all the way through it. So that's really what Cisco's kind of, mantra has been, so to speak, is as we enter these spaces, we want to really be committed and do it right and do it at scale.
Cool. And what are you showing here at NAB Show?
Yeah, so really 6 demo areas. Our flagship product is what we call Cisco's IP Fabric for Media. It leverages our Nexus platform and all the broadcast ecosystem partners. And so that's, when people are trying to move to SMPTE 2110, they need a reliable network, and that's what Cisco provides. So that's really our best-in-class platform that we really lead with. We're also showcasing our IPTV platform called Vision Edge. We've added about 100 developers to the product, and we've now deployed that at some of the biggest properties in the world, like the Cowboys and SoFi Stadium and Allegiant here in Las Vegas. And so showing the innovation that we're doing around Vision Edge is certainly important for our corporate media and sports customers that are here at the show. We're showcasing network assurance around visibility and critical infrastructure for both service providers and media customers. Got to talk about devices and WebEx, so that's certainly important, especially in the hybrid work world that we're in today. And then last but not least, 2 final things. One is around content delivery. Our partnership with Quilt is usually an annual mainstay for us. And then we're talking about innovation, so thought leadership around Kubernetes, private cloud. We've got innovation with Intel and ROS that we're showcasing in our booth to really showcase the future of where workflows are going with some open source technology that we've been building. So a number of really cool things that I think have really hit the market this week.
Cool. And talking about the future, What can we expect from Cisco next?
Well, we'd be remiss if we weren't talking about AI a little bit. And we look at it, in a really purposeful manner. For us, the workloads that AI are going to bring on it, I don't think everybody fully recognizes how big that is. Everybody's kind of focused on the upper layer, kind of the eye candy, but all of that has implications to where the market's going. Cisco's taken really a 3-pronged approach. We built the modern day network, the modern day internet that is today. All the data centers, all the public cloud, a lot of that really is codependent on Cisco's infrastructure, both compute and switching. And so we want to take a trusted approach to AI. So if we're going to do it, here's a partner that you can trust. Number 2, we've built the silicon. So Silicon One is, from Cisco. And then we have the data intelligence, the data and the networks. And then number 3 is our recent acquisition of Splunk allows us to really think about observability. So again, think about it. The networks, the silicon, the data, and now observability with security over the top, and then with a trusted partner. That's a winning combination that all of the industry can take advantage of, because we really see ourselves as somebody who is really taking the industry, we want to move the industry forward, but we see them building applications and processes on top of the networks that we're building today.
Super exciting.
Yeah, that's fun.
Now, Bryan, you and I have met at NAB Show before. Sure. What does it mean to you? Why is it special?
Well, this is my 18th NAB. So there's probably a few other people that have done. I talked to somebody else this morning. It's been 30, and I didn't feel very good about myself. But in all seriousness, this is a meeting of the minds. It's a great collection of people that want to think about it. I find customers are as inquisitive now as they've ever been. They want to understand what's happening, what's leading edge. They want to ask trusted partners where we're taking them. And so this is a great opportunity to really land on that. So we're always honored to be here. We've got a huge presence here and we've got some newbies from Cisco that are learning about the industry, which is awesome. As we continue to show commitment, we want to infuse new talent and new people into it, and we want to bring new products. So we've got some new stuff that we're doing this year that we haven't brought to the show to see, hey, how can we help take this industry to the next level? So this has been it's been a great week. It always is an awesome week here in Vegas.
Brilliant. Well, thanks for joining me today, and enjoy the rest of the show.
I plan on it.
Thank you.
Okay.